Hi guys, Neil at Italia Autos here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's episode, I'm going to be looking at a turbo fault on this 2-litre diesel Giulietta. Right, so what we have here is a 65 plate diesel Giulietta with a turbo problem. All I've done is taken the engine cover off, read the fault codes, tried resetting the fault codes, and it just comes straight back. So let me just show you here. It's variable geometry, turbo position, the fault is present, the engine warning light's on, and the code is P2563-22. So let's just reset the code. Doesn't come back when engine isn't started. Start the engine up. Give it a little bit of a rev. So there we go, it's a little rev of the throttle for 10 seconds and the fault code has come back. So let's turn the engine off and let's have a look at the turbo just to make sure that that is all okay. One thing I do like about these Giuliettas is the turbo is a lot easier to access. Just pull that off, turn that round, feeling inside the turbo for play on the shaft. That is normal, and make sure that the turbo can spin freely without any resistance, and that is all fine. So other than not being able to test the vanes, the turbo appears to be okay. So what I'm going to do now is check for leaks on the vacuum system. So you've got the turbo here, which comes into here. You've got all the vacuum system over here. So let's start checking all that. Right, we've got a pipe which comes from here, along here, down to the solenoid here. So let's just see if I can see anything missing or obvious holes. And there's another one which goes out the back and then down to the front here. That come off quite easily. I can see the problem right now. Okay, just in front, down there, which you can't see, is where the end of my finger is. That's where the boost pipe attaches. Then there's a blank on the opposite side of the boost pipe. Where my finger is now, see that little bit of rubber which is pulling off? Let me just remove that now and I'll show you what's happening close up. So here is the little blanking rubber, and as you can see there's a hole in the top of it. So the vacuum system for the turbo isn't going to be working correctly. That's why we're getting the error on the dashboard. So what I've done is I've used a little bit of diesel pipe, the new stuff I've got. I've stuck a screw in the end of it and also some silicone in to seal it properly. And we'll see if the car works again now. So the car's now had, what, 5-10 minutes of idling, all fixed, no engine warning lights. The ECU is now clear of fault codes. So that was a nice simple one to fix. Worthwhile telling you guys about it because it's a bit of rubber at the end of the day and it's going to be fairly common. So there we go guys, the ECU is now totally clear of fault codes. This is actually quite a common fault. I have seen it a few times over the years now, so I would imagine it's going to become a lot more popular as the rubber's getting older on this. So this is a 5-year-old car, so you are going to be seeing it a lot more often. So thanks for watching, don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe if you got this far through the video and you like what you saw. Thanks for watching, see you next time.